Introduction to community. Like the concept of society, the concept of community is used in social sciences. It is a term having numerous meanings, both sociological and non-sociological. It is used in an way to refer to a wide variety of specific social units. In common, the word community is used for a collection of people who do related kinds of work, such as the teachers community or the doctors community, etc. It is also used to denote a collection of people who share something in common, as the Hindu community, Parsi community, or Christian community, without necessarily living in particular area. Community is important concept in sociology. Community is integral part of society. Theories or models of community explain about community development and social development. Community has been determined health status of people. Example, rural people having different health status than urban people. Sociology of community is fundamental for community health nursing. What is meant by community? Sentiment of common livings. Can you define community? Community as a social group determined by geographical boundaries and common values and interest. Its members known and interact with each other. It functions particular social structure and exhibits and creates certain norms, values, and social institutions. Second definition, the term community is also used to describe a quality of relationship which produces a strong sense of shared identity. This use does not give any importance to the spatial or geographical aspect of the community. It does not depend on physical or even on people having met each other. Basis of community. First basis, locality. A community always occupies a traditional area. A strong bond of solidarity that we find in the members of community is derived from the conditions of locality, living in a definite geographical area. This bond is weakening today due to the development of modern means of communication, but the extension of communication has in some other way helped in territorial bond. Second, community sentiment. Locality through a necessary condition is not enough to create a community. There must be the common living with its awareness of sharing a common way of life. Local areas which lack the social coherence cannot be termed as community. Such areas lack community sentiments, an utmost necessary condition for the existence of a community. Community sentiment involves sufficient context and common interest to instill community consciousness. When a community exists, first, when a set of households is relatively concentrated in delimited geographical area. Second, their residence exhibits a substantial degree of integrated social interaction. Three, they have a sense of common membership, of belonging together, which is not based exclusively on ties of consanguinity. Next section, types of community. There are three types of communities. First, rural community. Second, urban community. Third, regional community. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.